So, good morning, children. So, today let us start the second part of tense. Yesterday, in my last class, I taught you about the tense simple, present, past, and future. So, today I am going to teach you the second part of tense, that is present continue, past continue, and future continue. Okay. So, without wasting the time, let us start the class. Is it okay? Okay. So, let us start tense part 2, that is progressive or continuous tense. The other name of continuous tense is progressive tense. So let us start the topic. So this is the form of present progressive. You can see the signal words here. All the signal words are here. You can see all the signal words now, at the moment, look, listen. These are all the signal words, and something is happening, and these are the uses. Something is happening at the same time as speaking or around it. That means, as I am saying, I am teaching you. I am taking the class. So these are all, now I am taking the class. At the moment, what I am doing. So here we are using the present progressive. And what is the form of present progressive? That is be verb. Be में कौन सी verb आएगा? Am, are, and is. Infinitive, that is main verb plus ing. That means I अगर subject होगा, then what will be the verb? The verb will be am, and main verb is work, then plus ing. So it will be working. I am working. He is working. I am going. He is going. Same in negative form. I am not working. He is not working. So this is in negative form. Then in interrogative, am I going? Is he going? So all these things you understood. So in present progressive, the form of present progressive is by using be verb, that is, am, and are, plus infinitive, that is plus main verb, and plus ing. And the signal words are now, at the moment, look means the look, listen. So these are all the words where we are using the present progressive sentence. Now, what is the meaning of past progressive? Past progressive, generally we are using when. जब तुम आए थे तब मैं काम करता. When you are coming, I was doing my work. Okay, so these are all while, when. So an action happened in the middle of the another actions someone is doing. That means that actions is happening in the past, was happening in the past. Okay, so at that time we are using the form is was, where, plus infinitive plus ing. That means was, where is the here the main verb, the auxiliary verb, and infinitive means main verb plus ing. Like example, I was walking, he was walking, I was going. You can see the changes. In present, it will be am, is. In past, it will be was and were. Okay. Now, next is future progressive. An action will be in progress at a certain time in future. This action has begun before the certain time. That means, oh, big warning. We are planning to start. Okay, we are planning to start here. It is present continue, but it is the time will be future. But we will be going tomorrow. We will be going tomorrow. We will be going Mumbai tomorrow. Okay, so here all these examples here we are using will plus be plus main verb plus ing. I'll be showing all these uses very nicely while I'm showing the forms and uses of all the tenses. So let us start the next slide. What are the forms and uses of present progressive? Iska forms kya? Forms I have already taught you. The form is by using the past present participle, that means main verb plus ing. That means, for example, she is walking, and negative form is putting not after the auxiliary. She is not walking. Negative question is formed by putting auxiliary before the subject and not after the subject. Is she not walking? Isn't she? So these are all the negative, affirmative, and interrogative form of present progressive sentence. Now I am showing you what is the uses. The uses, you can see all the examples I am giving. The present progressive tense is used for an action that is in progress at the time of speaking. That means, as I am giving the example, I am teaching now. So here the example is resemble that I am in present progressive tense. For example, he is reading a newspaper. So it is in present progressive tense. That means an action which is in progress at the time of speaking. जब बोलते हैं तभी वो action होता है. Action continue होता है. So that is called the action is in progress at the time of speaking. For example, the girl is singing a song. I am doing my work. So this is in here. We can also use the present progressive tense. Now, it is used for an action that is in progress and will continue in future. Again, Progress भी हो गया होगा and it will be still continuing in future. It may not be going on the at the time of speaking. वो the action is in progress and till it will be continuing, like he is learning English, my neighbor is writing a novel. So these are all the progress, the work is continued and it will also continue till the future. It is used to describe an action that is planned to take place in near future. जो बहुत नियर फ्यूचर में होने वाला है, जो काम होने वाला है, बहुत जल्दी होने वाला है. Like where I am giving the example, we are planning to start our we are planning to reopen a school in the month of July. So these are the things, these are the actions which is planned to take place in near future. I am meeting him tomorrow. He is going to England next week. They are not coming here on Monday. So these are all the actions which is planned to take place near in the near future. That means हम ये प्लान कर रहे हैं आगे ये करने के लिए. It is used to express disapproval of a persistent habit or something done again and again. We generally use the adverbs. यहाँ पे कौन कौन adverb यूज करते हैं? Always, constantly, repeatedly. He is repeatedly doing the mistakes. Okay, so he is repeatedly making the same mistakes. They are constantly changing their statements. He is always doing a mischief or the other. So these are all जो काम repeatedly होता है. He is doing the mistakes again and again. Okay, she is continually watching the TV. He is always doing one mischief or the other. So these are all what express disapproval of a persistent. So these are all the actions. So you understood. So when the action is going on and it will still continue to the future, then we are using this present continue. And if we plan something for the future, like we are planning to open our school, we are planning to open a school in the mid of July. So this is also planning for future. Now also express the habitual actions, like we are using the you are continually, repeatedly, always. Here also we are using present continue. Some perception words like see, hear, taste, smell. In this word generally we are not using present progressive tense. And also know, understand, hate, wish, like in this words also we are not using present progressive tense. Now coming up, I am showing you one video of Mr. Bean. So you just enjoy the video because I know Mr. Bean is one of your cartoon, one of your favorite cartoon. So let's have a break time. Then I'll start the past progressive tense. Is that okay? So you just enjoy the video with the present progressive tense. Some sentence, some words are there. You have to join these words and it is very quick. Okay, it's a quick work. So you have to see the words, whatever words we are watching on that video, you have to see that and join that word in present continuous tense and enjoy the video itself. Okay, let's start. I'm starting this video. So let us start the video. This is the break time. First enjoy, then I will start other one. Okay, and watch very carefully. Why I'm showing this, you just watch it. You have to taste your own self. See. So what will be happening? He is trying to open the gate. He is trying to open the gate. Is that clear? He is driving a car. Dekho, the work is continuing. He is parking his car.
Good morning. Good morning, sir. Could I have some oil, please? Certainly.
He is ordering something.
What's going on?
Now you do yourself.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Thank you. Right. What the place? I've never seen anything like that.
He's talking to himself.
Later.
See what will happen.
What, please?
Cafe, is that door, sir?
No, I want air.
Kids only.
So he's feeling very sad, no?
Right.
Now see what he will do.
I wonder.
You know, everything is possible for Mr. Bean, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, cool, awesome. Oh, I can't wait. Oh.
You relax in the cafe. We all
See.
look after the kids.
He is going to inside with the children. Wow.
Fantastic. This is going to be brilliant. Here I come.
Now he's jumping into the ball pool. See. He's also laughing.
Oh, excellent.
Mel! Stop! Right.
How he's jumping, just see.
Here I come.
Sliding.
Brilliant. I want to do that again.
Right, you. And stay out. Kids only.
So now this video, I think you all enjoyed this video a lot, isn't it? So let us start the second part. Now you could understand how to use this present progressive tense or present continuous tense. So you don't know the uses now. Now I am coming to the next slide, that is past progressive. Okay. So coming up to the past progressive. Okay. So now we will start with forms and uses of past progressive tense. So you know the forms very well. In past progressive tense, the form will be for the form. The past progressive tense are the form. What is the form? We have to use was, were plus present participle. That means main verb plus ing. Example I am also giving here. He was writing a letter. The children were playing. The girls were singing. Same the negative sense. He was not writing a letter. The children are not playing. The girls were not singing. Similarly, same as present progressive. Okay. Only the changes is वहां पे हम लोग is are लगाते हैं and यहाँ पे we are changing it to was and were. Others will be same. Okay. Interrogative. Was he writing a letter? Were the children playing? Were the girls singing? And the negative interrogative sentences are formed by putting was and were before the subject. So this is the form. But uses I don't want to show you by this way, so it will be not very much understanding for you. I will show you one game. Okay, that game, from that game you could able to understand what is the uses of past progressive tense. That this is a game between two persons, and you also enjoy the game, you also participate in that game. Okay, let us start the game. So I'll start. Wait. So enjoy the game, okay? Very nice game. You also enjoy it, and you come to know what is the uses of past progressive tense.
Ooh, coming. Ooh. Hello and welcome to the Grammar Game Show. I'm your host, Will, but I'll change for person and time. And of course, let's not forget Leslie, our all-knowing voice in the sky. Welcome, everyone. Tonight we're going to be asking 3 questions about the past continuous tense. Okay, now let's meet our contestants.
Hi everyone, I'm Helen.
Contestant number 2. Hi everyone, I'm Greg. Welcome back, Helen. Okay, let's get going, and don't forget, you can play along at home too. Our first round is a battle round. Contestants ask each other questions about the past continuous until one of them makes a mistake. Helen, do you want to start?
Yes, please.
Oh, that's a shame. Greg, you can go first.
Oh, right. What is the formula for the past continuous?
Was or were plus verb ing. Ha ha. What do we use the past continuous for?
Actions which are in progress at a past time. Ah, yes. Give me an example.
I was eating dinner at 6 p.m. last night. Ha ha. Do we use the past continuous with state verbs?
No, not usually. Ah, yes. Do we usually use the past continuous with repeated actions?
Yes.
Oh, that was vicious. Well played, but Helen, you made a mistake there. Leslie?
See, what is the
Mostly
mistake?
right. The past continuous is used to describe actions that were in progress at a past time. It is constructed with was or were and verb ing, and being continuous, it does not usually use state verbs. However, it does not usually describe repeated actions or habits either.
Yes.
Sorry, Helen, that's the past simple.
Sorry, Helen. 20 points to Greg.
It's only using past simple, not in past progressive. Okay.
Let's move on to our next round. Which of these sentences is incorrect
and why?
I was walking when I tripped and fell. I was walking while I tripped and fell. When I was walking, I tripped and fell. While I was walking, I tripped and fell.
Trick question. They are all correct.
No.
No. B is wrong. We don't use while for quick
Quick
actions.
actions.
Ha ha.
Wow, you two are really getting into it. Leslie?
Understand,
We
children?
often use the past continuous and past simple together to describe a longer action that is interrupted by a short one.
Yes.
These actions are connected with time words like when
and
and while. However, we do not usually use while in
For the
front of the short action.
Yes.
So well done, Helen.
Well done, Helen. 20 points for you. Oh, this is exciting. It's neck and neck. It's time for our final question. True or false? The past continuous can make you sound more polite.
True.
It is true. Can you explain how?
No.
Oh, Greg?
Using the past continuous makes things more polite because it seems temporary and so more casual.
Leslie?
Yep. Using the past continuous can make sentences seem more polite by distancing them from the present. This makes them sound more tentative and less assertive, more gentle. For example, I was hoping you could lend me money is more polite than I hope you can lend me money.
Yes.
Well, this is tricky. Helen, you said it was true, and Greg, you explained it. Who do I give the points to?
Give it to me.
No, I was the one who answered the question.
No, you didn't. I got it right. Just give it to me.
I know. It wasn't that easier. And that brings us to the end of today's Grammar Game Show. And the winner is me. Well done. Thank you. What have I won?
Cash in mixed currency.
It looks like we'll need
Okay, what is the how to use this past progressive tense and how to use this while and when. Okay, so if you don't understand, again and again see the video and again I will be giving some more examples while I am giving the worksheet. Okay, so for that we have to consider on future progressive. Okay, the forms and uses of future progressive. You know the form. What is the form? Shall, will plus be plus present participle. That means present participle plus ing. That means what is the progressive? I shall be doing this work tomorrow. यहाँ पे I forgot to present participle. Present participle का मतलब क्या है? Verb plus ing. So shall and will plus be plus present participle. That means main verb plus ing. For the example, I shall be doing this work tomorrow. He will be going to Delhi tomorrow. These are all the example of present progressive tense. Now, where is the use? The negative sentence, I shall not be, he will not be. Interrogative, shall I be, will he not be. The negative interrogative sentence are formed by putting shall or will before the subject and not before the be. You can see, I shall not be. Be उसके बाद में होता है. Not से पहले be नहीं होता है. Shall I not be? ऐसे नहीं बोलते shall not I be. Shall I not be? So that means by putting shall or will before the subject and not before be. So shall I not be doing this work tomorrow? So this is a future progressive in interrogative, negative interrogative sense. Okay. Now coming up the next one. What is the use? The future progressive tense is used to express an action that will be progress at a given time in future. जैसे मैंने बोला था, we are planning to start. This is in present progressive tense, but timing should be future. Similarly, from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. we'll be playing cricket tomorrow. कल 5 से 6 बजे तक we'll be playing cricket tomorrow. जैसे मैं बोलूँ, from tomorrow at 6 p.m. we'll be having a get together. Okay, like this we are saying. So these are all future progressive tense which will be taking place, which will be taking an action after a certain time in future, not now, in future. We tomorrow at 5 p.m. we are planning to have a get together. Tomorrow at 5 p.m. we'll be meeting each other at school. Okay, so these are all the points where the action will be going to take place at a given time in future. The future progressive tense is also used to express an action which will take in the normal course. जो normal course में होता है, like the air conditioner will be running in the month of June. Okay, so generally air conditioner कब चलता है? In the month of June, in the summer vacation, in the summer season. The AC will be running in the month of summer season. Okay, in summer season. So these are all the example of future progressive जो काम होने वाला है in the future, express an action which will be in progress at a given time in future, or which will take place in a normal course. So this is the example of future progressive tense. Now I am giving you some works by which you can use this word and using your own sentences. Okay, and you have to talk with yourself. Just stand in front of a mirror and start talking with yourself so that you can see how you are using this future progressive tense. So let us have the next slide. What is that? So what will you be doing? आप क्या करोगे? Talk for 30 seconds. You have to talk with yourself. Why? To communicate, to develop your communication skills. आपका communication skills आपको develop करना है. So how to communicate? So start. You have to start by standing in front of a mirror and start on Thursday at 6 p.m. What you will do? 6 p.m. what you will do? On Thursday at 6 p.m. I'll be doing my homework. Okay, you can say like any word. In 30 years time, what you are planning to do? क्या करोगे? So like this talk for 30 seconds with yourself. And if you want to show me the answer, you can show me by putting some answers so that I could able to understand. Otherwise, when I am going to start the Google Classroom, at that time live we will be chatting with each other. Okay, so it will be very interesting. Is that clear? So this is all about our present progressive, future progressive, and past progressive. So the main table is this table. This is the main table. You have to understand, you have to remember, you have to you have to make a flow chart of tense and just paste it in front of your study table so that it should be remind you how to use these tenses in your daily lives. Okay, so till that, thank you very much.